Yeah. One go just like that. Other go just like that. One go here. One go there. See it there? You start them in it. Yeah. You got to line the holes up. And then once you get them started, they ain't nothing but plastic no way, so once you get the holes, you can see your hole line up, stick them in the star, and then get the screwdriver, run them on down. Yeah. Well, y'all just about to test this thing. It's another 30 minutes. We got everything back together except the wires and stuff. You see it? Once you get one of them started, doesn't start. Okay.
No, I might have to use the other one.
You probably have to use that little stubby screwdriver. Before you get it too tight, kind of like get the other started now. And get your stuff.